So summer's almost here, and I want to show you a quick way to wear your hair really cute and a little bit more sophisticated at the pool or beach, and then it's great because it preps it for the evening when you're going out. Everyone needs one of these in their beach bag, and it's the wet brush. I love it because it's gentle, it detangles the hair while it's wet, and it also really brushes the hair while it's dry, and it's super, super gentle on the hair. So most people would probably do braids. I myself cannot do my own braids, so I ended up creating this twist effect. And not only does the twist effect look good, but it also helps to set the hair to give you a non-heat wave. So you're gonna take two sections, one right underneath each other. Just use your hands to comb it. And you're gonna bring the top section under, and you're gonna grab a section from the bottom, and you're gonna bring it to the top. So now that the two sides are done, it's kind of endless on your creativity. One, you could just take this and wrap it and make a really cute little bun. Or easy, like you could take it and twist it together and bring it around and tuck the bottom under and use some of these hairpins. Now you basically gently start loosening up the twist, and this technique works great for two people. One that has a naturally curly hair that wants to tame it and it be less frizzy, and then for someone that doesn't have natural body in their hair or wave, this kind of shapes it in. So again, to just detail it for the night out, you could just go behind the ear. I'm kind of influenced a little bit by the 80s, kind of 90s look. So a heavy side part with a cute little denim jacket, and you're ready to go.